guys, I'm Sanjana.
I'm Zia.
Hi, I'm Dhritika.
I'm Srishti.
And
we are
Besharam.
Guys, last time that you guys filmed what the hell is happening in the world,
Yeah.
I was not available.
Shit.
And that really caused there to be like a sort of war in my mind.
Yeah. You were missing, but you were not missed.
But
What? Guys, let me know down in the comments if I was missed. What the hell?
No, but it's honestly been so long since it's just been the four of us.
Oh my god, yeah.
Wow.
It's
it
not
low-key
like we
feels
meet
good.
like all the time.
Yeah,
that
but
we
it
met
low-key feels
yesterday.
good, yeah.
true.
It does feel great. But in this city, people have just succumbed to eating one dosa standing.
Standing.
We are going to stand and eat one dosa,
Yeah.
Buffet
and we're
system.
going to love it.
स्ट्रीट फूड कम नहीं है बॉम्बे में जो हमें खड़े रह के ही खाना है.
We have to order on a screen, pay with card or GPay. Guys,
funny.
bring back. I don't mind standing and eating one dosa, but bring back giving me money to the vendor
With the oily hand.
with the oily hand. He
I
gives
don't
me
mind.
chutta.
Okay, unpopular opinion, but the smell of notes. Like the stinky smell of notes.
It's not stinky.
I don't
I
know
love the
what-
smell of money.
That.
fresh out the bank.
No,
Garam garam.
but like I don't know when the note has been passed around for a
I-
while.
I don't.
Guys, this is a very specific smell. If I get hate for this, I will come at all of y'all. But it's a very like peculiar smell that you get.
What do you smell?
My
Kanda
nose
or?
might
No,
drink
bro. It's I know exactly how it
But
smells.
it's like,
which is why
and
I'm like,
especially I've smelt it only on 10 rupee notes.
True.
I was actually picturing a 10-20 rupee note that's rubbed.
the old ones.
Tone black.
The older ones when you were little also like I don't know what and my mom used to like slap me when I used to smell it. She's like,
Bro,
"Bitch, what the fuck are you doing?"
Deep cut. Remember the smell of purple 50 rupee notes? The old
old
ones?
one.
No, I
The
don't.
old-
They all
Notes
notes smell the same
the
only.
same.
No, the 51 was too good. They changed that 51 now to blue.
No.
I can't picture or like I can't remember the smell of any other note except for the 10 rupees.
Yeah, bro. Bhenchod, blue ki kya color?
Crazy detailing by
Bro.
Aditya Dhar.
Remember, we used to play color in bachpan. You would like somebody would say go touch color pen and you'll all run.
हाँ.
बस अपने जेब से नोट निकाल दो साले कलर तुम्हारे पास ही
तेरे
है.
पास होती थी पहले?
पैसे होते थे.
पहले होते थे ब्रो, सब खर्च कर दिए.
अब भी नहीं है मेरे पास.
सब खर्च कर दिए.
I'm so glad they took back the 2000 rupee note. I'm so fucking glad.
मैंने तो देखी भी नहीं थी.
It looked
Sounds
so,
like a you problem.
It looks so fucking ugly. Bhenchod जेलोसिल पेपर पे डाला हुआ लग रहा था. It was
नहीं यार अच्छी थी.
It was very pink.
सबसे boss bitch is 500. Like
It had that aura.
it
Yeah.
still does. It still
500
does.
has an aura.
500 has the aura.
Yeah.
बट मेरा पॉइंट ही था इस चीज को ब्रिंग अप करने के लिए मेरा पॉइंट था कि हर जगह हमें बेन्ने डोसा नहीं चाहिए. कैन वी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट थिंग? बेन्ने डोसा थट्टे इडली.
थट्टे इडली.
थट्टे इडली मैं कितना खाऊं?
मैं कितना
मैं
खाऊं?
कितना खाऊं और कहाँ खाऊं? No,
complain
because
नहीं कर रही.
no. I want, okay, so Benne has opened in Chowpatty.
Yeah.
Of course. why not?
Rameshwaram has opened in Churchgate.
Everywhere.
And the lines are
Maddening.
man, no, it's wrong. It's
Yeah.
wrong because I cannot be waiting 2 hours to have.
Yeah.
रुक आवाज आ रहा है.
Wow.
पुलिस आई है इनको पकड़ने के लिए.
हमें पकड़ने के लिए.
हमें नहीं
No,
bro.
it's like the line started as Madras Cafe
Yeah.
and then it suddenly shifted to all these places,
Hmm.
which I'm glad.
Hmm.
Go there.
Hmm.
But I feel like it's not even the problem of dosa or whatever.
Hmm.
If you have it from a thela
Hmm.
for 20 rupees
Hmm.
with the cold sambar and chutney,
Hmm.
that slaps. That
That's
understands
all
hours.
good. Slaps.
That makes it fair for you to stand. If I'm paying 350 rupees, the least I'm expecting you. तुम मत करो मेरी पूजा. तुम मत स्माइल करके मेरे पास आके पूछो कि मैडम पानी चाहिए, ठंडा
Yeah.
चाहिए, गरम चाहिए.
I don't want customer
ये
service.
सब मत
want,
पूछो.
हाँ.
नहीं तुझे पता है ना यहाँ पर कस्टमर सर्विस नहीं है.
पता है एग्जैक्टली वही तो
हाँ.
बोल रही हूँ. ये सब नहीं चाहिए. तुम एटलीस्ट बैठने के लिए जगह तो दो.
Yeah.
भाई एक छोटी स्पेस है ठीक है. चेयर रख दो.
Yeah.
मैं अपने लैप में रख के खा लूंगी.
नहीं यार, we are asking for less.
नहीं. Worst comes to worst. It's a very small place, but it sells amazing food. No matter what food.
Yeah.
At least provide me chairs so I can sit
In
down.
that way, Madras Cafe banned. They were smart because they're like, तुम लोग share करो but खाओ.
हाँ.
बैठ के खाओ.
हाँ.
That's
Exactly.
nice.
तू कपल है, तुम लोग कपल है, ये फैमिली है, फैमिली के सामने बैठो पर बैठ के खाओ.
बैठ
आराम
के
से
खाओ.
खाओ.
Yeah, and actually ये जब से बेन्ने खुला है, तब से हर जगह बेन्ने डोसा मिलने लगा and some places there is no business for them to
to sell.
have
To
a
sell
benne
this.
dosa like
Yeah.
Blondie in Bandra like is known for its benne dosa. Guys, I want somebody from I don't know, Jharkhand. You just mentioned Jharkhand. I want somebody from Jharkhand who is not very on the internet. I just want to ask them, hey, there is this place called Blondie in a very posh area in Mumbai, in
Bandra.
Bandra.
India's financial capital.
India's financial capital, Bandra, Mumbai. Okay, what do you think their USP is?
Matcha dosa.
Matcha, I swear. Why,
Isn't there a thing?
I'm
There
sure
should be.
there
Should
is.
be.
I'm sure the
Yes.
cross.
It
Should be as in visionary wise होना
Yeah,
चाहिए,
there
but
should be one.
not in reality.
Not
Yeah, I
realistically.
think वो घी पोड़ी डोसा जैसे घी माचा
Matcha
डोसा
oh my-
और can I add? हर जगह की पोड़ी अच्छी नहीं होती.
नहीं होती.
नहीं
नहीं
होती.
होती.
Just because you're saying podi this, podi that, you don't know how to make podi.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Short of the fuck,
sorry.
you don't.
Where's the puran?
Yeah. And even chutney, bro.
No, fuck chutney. Sambar.
Sambar to
Sambar
you don't get
easily
good in
fuck up.
everywhere.
Sambar
Sambar you
will
fuck up everywhere.
yeah.
Bro, chutney you can't. You're
Fair,
not
fair, fair,
supposed
fair,
to.
fair, fair,
And
fair.
then that also they find a way to
Two
fuck up.
ingredients. Copra.
Okay, with
Cobra.
tadka and
Basic.
stuff. हाँ, ठीक है. But
And also like with this like gas shortage also that we are seeing, I went to Anna Idli the other day, which also sells benne dosa if you are interested.
I mean,
Anywhere
take a
like
link.
anywhere else. But we
But
went
वहाँ बैठने
and
मिलेगा.
हाँ वहाँ बैठने मिलेगा. I really like Anna Idli, but everything now was like cold. All food
Oh,
was
no.
cold because they turn on the gas and then they turn it off
Yeah.
so that they can use as
Oh.
much
They can
heat as
retain it for
possible.
longer.
So everything, like even the sambar was like medium temperature.
Oh my god.
Oh, I
that
don't mind
explains
that.
why. So the other day I had gone to Kwai Kitchen
Hmm.
and I'm not even kidding. Bro, I booked my table at 7:30.
Hmm.
I have gotten my table at 11. Yeah. And the only reason I waited for so long is because I wanted to eat
Sushi.
sushi. And when we reached there,
Sushi thandi hoti hai, bro.
no, but like even we ordered rice also.
Acha.
Okay, so we had like a bunch of things, and all of that came so soon, so soon, and I'm like, it's not warm. Also, I mean, it was like lukewarm.
Lukewarm.
Like it was like
Warm.
not fun.
But एक
because-
second.
But why did they make you wait for so long?
then
What
why
was
did
that
they
out?
make you
Because
wait?
first of all, it's such a small space, right?
Uh-huh,
Kwai
uh-huh.
Kitchen, you can barely fit like 5 people.
Yeah.
It's a stretch, but like it's.
I get the idea.
And
yeah.
then so we'd gone on a Thursday, which has like an offer,
Oh, right.
where it's like 1,500
Unlimited
for
sushi.
one person and it's unlimited sushi.
Sushi.
Sushi. So that's why like everyone had come and everyone had come with their families and stuff. So the outside
Arre
places were for like
baap re.
7-8 people and the
Haan.
inside places were for a smaller group of
Hmm.
people. But that's what it was like. That explains why.
यही
That's
कर रहा है ये लोग हमारे साथ
crazy.
बहुत ज्यादा स्कैम हो रहा है एटलीस्ट माइक्रोवेव इट यार हैव सम
Yeah,
रिस्पेक्ट
no,
फॉर मी
exactly.
हैव सम रिस्पेक्ट फॉर मी इवन मैं भी घर जाके मैं माइक्रोवेव ही करने वाली थी इफ आई हैव एनी लेफ्टओवर्स सो लाइक
Yeah.
एटलीस्ट फूल मी
Fool me
me,
well.
please.
Fool me
Yeah.
well.
Please,
हाँ.
but that's also a problem हाँ क्योंकि जिस दिन हमारी गैस खत्म हो जाए because it's inevitable माइक्रोवेव में 4 बर्नर नहीं होते तो
Yeah.
just imagine कितना
कितना
स्लो
खत-
बनेगा खाना
बॉटल
Yeah.
नेक होगा
बॉटल नेक हो जाएगा हमारे
Wow.
माइक्रोवेव में and I really hope
Yeah,
man it's not that's
true.
not the case
But
yeah
speaking of standing,
हाँ
one place that I was looking forward to stand at was the Shakira concert.
Oh no.
अरे
There's mood off.
If y'all haven't watched the last video, I clocked this. It's gonna get cancelled. I
Yeah,
didn't
this
clock it.
bitch manifested the shit out of this.
Yeah, because I didn't get to go.
Kali Zuban. Bहन की-
we were arranging
Kali
for your
Zuban.
fucking
बहन की-
tickets.
But yeah, bro.
you were supposed to
I
go
was
and then
so excited to go for the concert. I had my outfits ready. If y'all didn't clock that already from the last episode, I was
Yeah.
super excited to wear my knee-high boots, but I could not. So
I
now
even realized that your hips stopped lying for
my
a
hips
while
had bro, my belly piercing has come off.
She
I'm not
clocked it
even
way before you.
yeah
I'm not even kidding.
oh my
तो सूखा पड़ गया वो.
oh no she has a famine on her waist
What waste?
yeah. What waist
But yeah, bro, so many people were excited to like
Go to
attend Shakira and like
yeah.
at least with Shakira they were upfront and they didn't say that it got delayed. They just basically outright canceled the show.
Yeah.
But I don't think that's happened with Kanye yet.
Speaking of, exactly.
Yeah.
They've done, okay, so I've heard from the grapevine, my source is not reliable, but I must say this since I think I know what's happening. Kanye is postponed until May but they're saying that they're doing what?
It might get cancelled.
Exactly. So they're doing what they're saying is it's postponed, but it might be for insurance purposes that they're saying that, because Kanye people have not gotten their money back yet.
Yet.
Yeah.
They still think that it's happening. But right now, like if I was Kanye, right?
I would like your 2 cents on it.
If I was Kanye, I wouldn't come here because number one, yeah, you have that war situation to give you ke nahi ye to real problem hai, but he really didn't sell the tickets.
Yeah.
He really did
Yeah.
not sell the tickets, and Shakira I think was better than
Yeah, for
Kanye.
sure. For sure.
But if Kanye really wants to do it in Delhi, I think he
Bro,
will not sell tickets.
Imagine
Yeah.
Delhi in the month of May. I'm stressed about the month of May in Bombay. Forget. I can't even.
It's drier there,
imagine.
na?
Yeah.
I've
Yeah,
heard.
it's
Very dry.
hot. It's
Yeah.
very hot.
But
It's like that type of hot जो मतलब if you touch
चुभता है.
skin,
Yeah.
वो static आ जाता है.
Yeah.
I have been
And you
to
don't sweat. It's just so dry. You feel
Exactly.
icky everywhere, and like you feel
Yeah.
sand,
Your
sand,
hair
sand,
sticks to your back. Shut up. Shut up.
I've been to Hyderabad in the summer,
Yeah.
Mm.
and
why?
that also landlocked, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, nothing. To
No water body around.
Landlocked, we get it.
yeah.
No moisture.
No moisture,
No
no
humidity.
humidity, so you
Yeah.
can't sweat, and you really don't know how good sweating is until you go to a place
Oh, for
where you
sure.
cannot sweat.
Oh my god.
You were in
Actually, sweating
Dubai.
is cooling.
Yeah, bro.
Sweating
Dubai.
is cooling. हवा पड़ती है. आहा.
ब्रो दुबई एयरपोर्ट में मैं पहुंची, ऐसा जोर से चाटा पड़ा है ना मुझे सूरज की किरणों से.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी.
वो straw डाल के.
लिजिट से ब्रो इट वाज सो बैड. मैं 2 मिनट रुकी साइड में. इट्स लाइक
I need to mentally prepare for this.
Mm.
बस ऐसे ऐसे भट्टी में आया
हाँ,
ऐसा
हाँ,
लग
हाँ,
रहा
yes,
था.
yes, yes.
Like it literally felt like
Yeah.
never.
But you were going to go for Kine, right? What happened about that? Why did Kine happen and not Shakira?
Kine है
because
कौन?
Kine अभी हो गया. Like he had already.
True,
come.
but
Kind is like
even-
सीधे मौत. कितने लोग हैं नहीं पता.
सीधे मौत?
सीधे मौत.
Kine एक ही- No. But
Kine एक है, Tame Impala है ना, वो बैंड है.
shut up. But
Huh?
no, even
एक सेकंड.
I know Tame Impala is one person, but he also has an entire band. No, I know his name is Kevin Tame Impala.
His name is Dracula. तू बोल.
That's Jenny's name.
but bro, okay, Kine happened yesterday, right?
Yeah,
What?
yeah.
27th.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shakira was gonna happen on the 10th. Hardly 2 weeks ka difference. Like, I feel they could have easily cancelled Kine and kept Shakira.
I mean,
Because
It was not
It
a
was-
give or take.
Yeah,
it was
it was
6-7.
it was not like they had a choice कि अगर ये करने को हुआ तो ये करने को
but
नहीं
होना
मिलेगा.
चाहिए ना ऐसा.
ऐसा थोड़ी होता
क्या
है.
बात कर
दोनों
रही
तो
है
college
यार?
के race course में ही हो रहा था. तो
एक उससे
2 week.
रेस कोर्स को पिक करना चाहिए था.
Yeah. But
Yes.
yeah,
all
what was
okay?
that whole scene with Kine?
It was too fucking crowded, bro. It was way too
Yeah,
crowded.
I
It was
heard.
it was like a fucking. It was like worse than Dadar station at 6:40 for a Virar local. It was worse than
Oh,
that.
and I have been in a Virar local, and let me tell you, that was a pleasant experience at 6:30.
Yeah.
No, this
Yeah.
was very,
Yes.
very, very bad. I have
Yes.
taken an oath. I will never do concerts
Yeah.
in India
Man,
now.
what's up with experiences and not living up to the hype anymore?
It's the thing is that when we were in
Mhm.
college, we had COVID, and now that we're out of college, we have a war.
Yeah, and it's like at least when we were younger, right? And then when we used to see our older cousins go for outings or like
Yeah.
go somewhere, they used to come back with a story and with an experience.
Yeah.
Now the only story we have is how fucking crowded it is.
Yeah.
True.
Everyone wants to be everywhere.
I feel like no experience in itself is fun anymore.
Yeah.
Like the whole charm of like going to concerts or going to a restaurant
Hmm.
anymore is just become it
Like
boils
a
down to a crowd.
It
Even
boils
so
down to,
after
and also it boils down to a reel.
yeah, and like after a point, even though you're there for the vibes or whatever, you feel like you're a part of those people who are there for
Okay, so
the reel, for the
Yeah,
gram,
yeah,
for the
yeah,
story,
Correct.
for the
For the numbers.
For the numbers.
So for I have this theory that after COVID is when people realize that fuck पैसा जमा करके कुछ होने नहीं वाला. Let's spend. नहीं तो
Hmm.
उसके पहले
Yes.
a lot of people would not spend on things like this. After
Yeah,
COVID,
right.
people have become like, fuck it, we'll spend,
Yeah.
we'll enjoy, we'll make moments,
Yeah.
we'll make memories.
Correct.
और बहनचोद सबको
सबको ये realize
सबको
कोई रह तो नहीं गया.
सबकी बत्ती साथ में जली है.
सब आगे कोई रह तो नहीं गया. Very true. Very true.
so
Yeah.
सब आ गए, कोई रह तो नहीं गया, ऐसे याद है?
बोलो.
तुम लोग स्प्लिट्स विला देखते हो क्या?
I have just heard and through reels and stuff.
तेरे
but
घर पे जो एपिसोड देखा उसके पहले मैं मेरी बहन के साथ देखी
मैं भी नहीं देख रही थी ऐसे पहले. हमने छी यार, बिग बॉस तक तो ठीक ही है, स्प्लिट्स विला कौन ही देखेगा. और फिर एक दिन मैं ऑफिस में थी और मस्त ऐसा मेरे रील पे आया, एक बंदा है, उसकी एक्स वापस आई है और उसकी करंट
ये
कनेक्शन
बिग बॉस
है.
में हुआ था 4 साल पहले. बाय द वे हुआ था. नहीं कोई बात
ये
नहीं.
तारक मेहता में भी हुआ है.
तारक मेहता में फर्स्ट हुआ था.
ये मेरी लाइफ में भी हुआ है.
याद है मुझे, याद है.
Okay, but yeah, I heard about this specific couple.
Yeah.
You tell me and then
So
I'll build on it.
I'll tell you guys, okay?
Yeah.
So ये बंदा है योगेश नाम का.
Hi Yogesh.
Bro,
Sorry.
people on Instagram they call him Dogesh.
डॉगेश. वो डॉग के जैसा दिखता है.
No, you know when people call dogs
Dogesh भाई.
Dogesh bhai.
हाँ.
यार,
She's not on that part of the
My
internet.
mom also calls. He's like, we'll get on Dogesh. I was like,
Aw.
what?
yeah, so
Yeah.
there's people have started calling him Dogesh. So
Valid.
I want to refer to him as Dogesh. one
Yes.
day.
Of course.
So Dogesh and Akanksha, they have been each other's connection since the very first day.
Okay.
Very first day in the Pyar Villa. Oh, by the let me
Pyar Villa.
let me explain
Pyar Villa.
everything.
Elaborate Pyar Villa.
There are 2 villas.
Yeah.
There's Pyar Villa and there's
Hmm.
Paisa Villa.
And there's
Wait.
splits coins this season.
This is enough for me to
Splits
start
coins.
watching.
I'm so excited. Tell
and
me.
they have split coins.
Hmm.
So पैसा वाला ना ये बाद में आया. प्यार विला वाले कंटेस्टेंट सब फर्स्ट आए थे.
Love will win.
And then उसमें योगेश की फर्स्ट एंट्री हुई थी. डोगेश की फर्स्ट एंट्री हुई थी. And all the girls were like, oh, he's got curly hair, he's got a nice body. ये
Yeah.
उसकी शक्ल इतनी घटिया दिखती है.
इतनी घटिया.
Nice.
ज़्यादा.
God has made everyone beautiful.
No, except Dogesh.
नहीं नहीं उसके टाइम तक आने तक भगवान जी का
हो गया.
Mal
कोटा
was
खत्म
over.
हो गया.
almost
Bhagwan ji
over.
ka mal was over. I want you to think about that while you talk. I want you to talk while you think about that. Reflect.
Then he also liked Akanksha and Akanksha also liked him. So
Hmm.
both of them were very clear कि साथ में खेलेंगे, साथ में
connection है.
जीतेंगे, हम कनेक्शन है, ये फन.
Great.
फिर हुई पैसा विला वालों की एंट्री. And
Okay.
then there was this thing that had happened. प्यार विला और पैसा विला वालों में से थोड़े contestants
Switch हो गए थे.
Yes.
Just baat
Bro.
bol diye.
Yes, all the boys and the girls had switched.
Yeah.
प्यार विला वाले पैसा विला में गए थे, पैसा विला वाले प्यार विला में गए थे.
Hmm.
और वहां पे आकांक्षा met this guy called Goresh.
Is this a joke? Is this a freaking joke?
No. He also looks very similar to Yogesh.
And
Yeah,
guess
yeah.
what? He sounds also similar to Dogesh.
He also has curly hair and all
They
that.
both look extremely similar.
Yeah.
Extremely similar.
Goresh was the guy, right?
Goresh.
Yeah, Goresh. हाँ.
And then these guys they win a task together, Akanksha and Goresh, and they get to go on a date.
Okay.
And then वहाँ पे like they get to sleep in a room और वो सब ऐसा योगेश को दिखाया है. And Yogesh is like नहीं, I trust her,
Yeah,
वो कुछ
yeah.
नहीं करेगी,
बिल्कुल.
ये मेरी बंदी है.
बिल्कुल.
But she did
She
not.
actually did not.
I know she
actually
didn't. I know
did
she
not.
didn't. I'm saying
And
बिल्कुल
then-
because of what he does.
हाँ.
And then Dome पे आए ये लोग and they got to go in front of the oracle to see if they were an ideal
The
match
topi,
or
right?
not. No, oracle is the gola.
Acha, oh, that's
It
like
uses, it's like Big Boss.
No, it's like Harry Potter.
It's
Acha.
ChatGPT, bro.
It's literally ChatGPT.
Okay,
yeah.
okay then.
Okay,
So
okay.
they go in front of oracle, Goresh and Akanksha, and then they come to know that they are an ideal match.
Hmm.
But if she goes to the throne, that means she will never get to play with Dogesh.
Play
ever
literally
again.
playing with the dog.
Play.
मतलब
हाँ.
never have a connection with
Yeah.
him. So she leaves her throne for this man.
For Goresh.
For Dogesh.
Goresh.
No way. No
she
way.
leaves Goresh
For
for
Dogesh.
Dogesh.
Yeah, because she initially was with Dogesh.
Dogesh.
right?
Understood.
Yeah.
Understood.
So she's
And
then-
committed.
एंड
हाँ,
देन
हाँ।
इनका सब अच्छा चल रहा होता है,
हम्म।
ठीक ठाक। फिर एक दिन डोम सेशन में योगेश के लिए आता है सरप्राइज, उसका वीडियो चलने लगता है उसके एक्स के साथ, लाइक
लाइक IRL X,
मतलब
IRL X का वीडियो इन्होंने डाला है, ठीक
Yeah,
है,
yeah.
yes.
Stir the
जितना
pot.
ड्रामा डाल सकते हैं इन लोगों ने सब डाला है, कहीं कसर नहीं
Spill
छोड़ी
दिया
है।
है। सलमान खान अगर आप देख रहे हो तो मुझे आपकी ओपिनियन आप कमेंट्स में डाल सकते हो।
Salman Khan is not doing this.
सलमान नहीं, बट सलमान खान, you know how he grills people on Big Boss?
Oh.
I want him to grill
He's like,
these people
Bro,
in
my
the
favorite
comments.
is when he like removes his jacket.
मैं आ
अरे।
जाऊँ अपनी पे,
मैं
आ जाऊँ मैं अपनी पे।
आ जाऊँ मैं अपनी
No,
पे।
no.
नहीं, सनी लियोनी could never, हाँ।
या
Could be, yeah, she
तुम
could
लोग को
never.
याद है वो एक एपिसोड था जिसमें तेजस्वी वाज लाइक, no but why are you telling this to why are you telling this to me, you can tell this to him, and then he's like, no sorry, why are you talking like this to me, why do you think it's okay for you to talk like this to me?
Salmon by OP. Salmon by OP.
Fucking love him.
Yeah.
So they go in front of the oracle, they get to know they are an ideal match, but अगर वो throne पे बैठेगी तो
तो
उसका और योगेश का
नहीं होगा.
नहीं होगा.
नहीं होगा, of course.
तो
और
वो-
स्प्लिट्सविला में तो रियल लव मिलता है।
Yes, तो
Okay.
आकांक्षा ने पहले से ही गौरेश को बोल के रखा था कि जिस दिन योगेश आएगा मैं उसके पास जाऊंगी, मुझे योगेश के साथ जाना है, मुझे योगेश के साथ रहना है।
Oh, baby
एंड
girl.
देन वन डे
She's also bitch only.
डोम सेशन में इसका वीडियो आया, इसके एक्स
Yeah,
का,
yeah.
एंड देन वो बंदी आई, फिर
XI.
एक्स आई, और फिर
उसका
सब
नाम गेस कर।
रूरू तारा,
हाँ?
रूरू।
रूरू,
डोगेश की रूरू।
Both are, that's a dog name.
That's a dog name. That's
so
what
they
I'm saying.
call each other, he calls her Ruru Tara and she calls him Yogi Tara. So ये ना starting में first 2 days में आकांक्षा was saying कि एक बार वो मुझे बोल भी रहा था कि हम अपने पेट नेम्स रखते हैं, अकू तारा, योगी तारा, ऐसा कुछ तो, and then आकांक्षा was like, मैं सोच रही थी but now I get to know like why he was doing
Hmm.
जो
that.
हेडेक्स हो रहा है ब्रो।
Oh my god. No, but like I get it.
और उसने वो वीडियो जो चल रहा था ना उसमें उसके एक्स का जो वीडियो चल रहा था उसने योगेश का वो शर्ट पहना था जो योगेश ने आकांक्षा को रिसेंटली पहनने दिया था, तो वो तो वही बात लेके अड़ी हुई थी
हाँ.
कि तूने मतलब उसको भी पहना है और तूने वो ही मुझे भी दिया, तूने पहले जो उसको पहनाया था वही तू दूसरा भी दे देता
तो
भाई।
being a fuckboy is one thing, being poor
And being so stupid.
and being so stupid about being a fuckboy.
Yeah, no, he's like being very smart. Like you cannot be a douchebag and be poor. Sorry.
Yeah. And
It's
now
not about him being poor, it's about him being
it's a
poorly
joke.
conducted.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
then रूरू भी आई है, अभी ये तीनों हर चीज साथ में कर रहे हैं, मतलब टास्क साथ में कर रहे हैं,
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
डांस ये लोग तीनों ने साथ में
हाँ,
किया
हाँ.
है,
इनका पॉलीक्यूल चालू हो गया है। ठीक है, ठीक है।
और वो डांस वाले एपिसोड पे दिस वन एंड आकांक्षा एंड योगेश दे डांस्ड ऑन अ मोर रोमांटिक सॉन्ग देन रूरू एंड योगेश, रूरू इज हिज एक्स, फिर योगेश
Shut up.
फिर योगेश बोलता है कि सनी और करण को कि मैम मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया है, मेरा कंफ्यूजन क्लियर हो गया है, आई नो हु आई एम गोना बी विद, एंड देन शी
Take a gander. Who does he pick? What do you
His
think?
ex.
You know about it, no?
Yeah.
fucker donkey. He picks his ex and he says her I love you for the first time ever
ये एक सेकेंड,
in front of Akanksha.
but like on this show when they're there for like 2 weeks they're saying I love you and all.
नहीं, ये तो उसके एक्स है ना, वो बाहर से जानते हैं उसको, 5-6 महीना दे डेटेड, तभी कभी नहीं बोला उसने आई लव यू, अभी
ये
इधर
पहली
stage
बार
पे-
बोल रहा है।
5-6 महीने में नहीं बोलते guys,
अभी इधर
नहीं
stage-
बोलना चाहिए क्या?
मेरे साथ तो नहीं हुआ था।
कभी बोलना ही नहीं चाहिए मुझे तो लगता है।
All men are dogish.
उसने आकांक्षा बाजू में खड़ी है और उसने बोला आई लव यू, वो मतलब फिर वो जाके उधर जाके रोने लग गई बेचारी।
Hmm.
फिर उसके बाद नेक्स्ट डे आई थिंक टास्क वगैरह हो रहे थे, एंड देन उसके बाद आया नेक्स्ट डोम सेशन। वहाँ पे दिस वन आकांक्षा वाज सिंगल, उसका कोई कनेक्शन नहीं था, तो देन उसको बोला कि तू किसी को अपना कनेक्शन बनाना चाहती है
ऐसे
क्या?
किसी को भी
हाँ
Second try, third
क्योंकि
try
वो
में मिलता है.
क्योंकि वो
बहुत बार
सेफ
मिलता
है
है.
क्योंकि वो सेफ है
हाँ,
और
okay.
अनसेफ लोगों में से अगर वो किसी को पिक करेगी तो वो भी सेफ हो जाएगा वो कनेक्शन उसके
हाँ.
साथ.
Oh.
तो देन she was looking at Gorish and everyone was looking at Gorish and Gorish was like भाई मैं फिर से फंस गया और Gorish की दूसरी कनेक्शन है
बन चुकी है.
बन
Okay,
चुकी
good,
है
good for Ganesh.
झलक करके उसकी दूसरी कनेक्शन है and they look good, they are nice.
हाँ.
I don't know, but then Akanksha picked Gorish knowing very well that
Oh, so she
Zalak
can
is
pick
there.
someone even if they have found a
Yeah,
connection.
yeah, yeah.
Oh my god.
Connection is not ideal match. Connection is who you
What
think
a bitch.
you like. Ideal match is who the Oracle and the whole system on the show thinks that you should be a pair with this person.
Exactly, bro. People are like fully giving into her victim playing situation, but then now see, she did exactly what happened with her.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my god.
That's low. That's a
very low.
bitchish.
bitchy.
That's a bitchish.
That's a bitchish.
But then
That
they
is
ended up
crazy.
being an ideal match, right?
Yes.
Last
Yes.
night.
Ganesh
Now Gorish
Yeah.
and Akanksha are an ideal match because उनको पहले भी पता था कि वो ideal match है.
But then
तो-
it was Zalak.
Who was Alak?
Who was
Exactly.
Alak? And now they are an ideal match and again now दिखाया है कि next episode में ये लोग date पे जाएंगे.
कौन?
Gorish और
हाँ.
Akanksha and they are dancing and all. Bro,
Bro,
she's
but like,
doing the exact same thing that happened to
and
her.
the worst part is both of them are each other's sloppy seconds.
Hurt
Yeah.
people hurt people.
Bars
from
on
experience.
bars on bars.
Yeah. Loki want to be a Splitsvilla contestant, so somebody can say I love you.
I think getting into a situationship from Hinge would be faster. No?
No.
It was, but it hurt, you know. With Splitsvilla, I know it's scripted.
Fair.
I know it's for
baseless.
TV, and at
Yeah.
least I make money.
At least you make.
I make
And
money out
fame.
of it. Money and fame. This
get
girl Akanksha, she grew from like less than a lakh to a million
That's-
Yeah.
That's
over
mad.
this
Crazy.
show. That kind of fame now.
Yeah.
Crazy.
जाना चाहिए स्पेशल में. I think अपन चारों को जाना चाहिए.
Yeah.
बहुत मजा आएगा.
Yeah.
काफी.
मुझे
मुझे
fame,
genuinely मजा आएगा.
fame से मुझे याद आया.
Hmm.
One of the most famous people from from our childhood
Mm-hmm.
recently had a revamp or a reunion of sorts. So the Hannah Montana 20th anniversary reunion,
Yes.
which is like crazy and surreal to think that I used to watch that 20 years ago. I mean, I didn't watch that exactly 20 years ago. I watched reruns of it
Yeah.
later, like when I was maybe close to 6 or 8 years old. That's when I watched it. But it was such a huge part of my life. And Hannah Montana, like you have to know that like Miley Cyrus,
Mm-hmm.
right? She was not just another Disney star.
Yeah.
She was a corporation in her
Yeah.
own.
movement.
She was a movement in her own right.
Yeah.
Because think about it, right? Every other Disney show has been redone in Hindi. Like
Yeah.
most other Hannah Montana
right.
has not, just because of how pure it was in its
Essence.
entirety. It was
Yeah.
complete.
Hmm.
Hannah Montana was not. It was only 4 seasons, by the way, guys.
Yeah.
Other shows were longer
Yeah.
and they had more episodes. Hannah Montana did not have as many
How
episodes.
many episodes in one season?
I don't want to say the number because I'm not sure, but at least
Ballpark.
12 to 14.
Okay.
At least 12 to
Hmm.
14 in a season.
Hmm.
And guys, she was not just shooting for these things, she was also a pop star. So
Yeah.
Hannah Montana
Mm-hmm.
was going around like touring over the country,
Hmm.
Oh.
and you could go to a Hannah Montana concert. There's albums.
IRL?
Yes. She would wear the wig and she had
Yeah.
that's why she was so huge,
Oh,
right?
wow.
Do you remember having like merch for anything else?
Yes. No,
Yes.
For anything else? For any other show?
No. No.
Right?
I was literally
Hannah
just thinking about
Montana
that.
merch rip-offs, bro. You couldn't miss it.
Remember, even in school, like we used to get like bags of Hannah Montana or like a
Yeah.
compass box or like
Yeah.
pencils or pens or
I
whatever.
always thought that was on the basis of the show and not of her actually
No.
touring.
She was touring,
That's
babe.
mad.
She was touring. She was making all like she was writing books. And it was so culturally significant that people were making rip-offs of it. And really it was unstoppable. Okay,
Yeah.
so that was the icon that Hannah Montana was and Miley Cyrus was. And to see her like after that point, what happened after the show ended, and she was like, she really hated the identity and she moved on to a very, very scandalous version of herself. And you
On
know,
the show or IRL?
no,
IRL.
after the show ended,
Okay.
and then she started being very for lack of a better word, scandalous,
Okay,
right?
fair,
With
fair.
bangers and
Yeah.
being very not safe for work. And then people were, of course, up in arms about, this was a child influencer.
Yeah.
Yes.
And now she's influencing her children with like a wrecking ball and stuff.
Like
People
Jojo
were
Siwa in a
mad.
way.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But
But that's happened with a lot of Disney actors
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
right?
nothing like this. Nothing like
Mhm.
this. Because I remember her pictures and everything being in like Bombay Times.
Yeah.
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 And people were like, oh, look at what she's become, her VMA performance.
Mhm.
That she was wearing like a skin color thing and she was shaking her ass. And people were just like
Losing
They were
so
baffled, yeah.
scandalized.
Yeah.
It was really bad. But now I look at that Miley Cyrus and I just feel for her what it must have been to be quite literally the most famous person for the youth at that time. And I don't say that lightly. She
Yeah.
genuinely was
Yeah, absolutely.
not just for girls, but for gays, but for like dudes that liked it. Everybody was, you couldn't miss Hannah
Yeah.
Montana.
Yeah.
I was thinking about all of these shows that I used to watch. I watched the English versions also, and then I watched the Hindi versions as
Yeah.
well. So most of the shows are better in Hindi,
Okay.
I think, because
Why?
I have an affinity towards it. Actually, not most of the shows. I think Zack and Cody was better than Karan and Kabir. I think.
I haven't watched the English versions.
Okay, versions.
So I'm already inclined to
Shake It Up was better in Hindi.
Shake
Shake
It
It
Up was
I
goated.
eat up.
Goated.
Best
Shake
of
It Up.
Luck Nikki was better than Good Luck Charlie.
Mhm.
Oh,
Best of Luck Nikki was-
100%.
Was the shit.
Best of Luck Nikki was hilarious.
Was the shit
It was
so good.
So good.
And the older brother was so hot.
So hot.
but you know what? He had a downfall.
Yeah, I know
He
he
had
had,
a
because he got
downfall.
married. He got married.
No,
That's what
but like-
happened.
Like a few months back, he came up on my reels, and I'm like,
it was the mother and the
You-
father also.
yeah, how are you,
Yeah.
my crush, growing up on this? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
God has made everyone
even,
beautiful.
Even Dolly. Dolly, the
Dolly,
sister.
Dolly.
Yeah.
But now
She
she looks great now.
She
Sheena
looks-
Bajaj.
she
She had
looks
a
great.
baby recently, right?
She did. She
Aw,
did.
that's
Yeah.
good for
She
her.
did. Yeah.
Best of luck to the baby.
Did she name her Nikki?
Oh, no.
No.
The baby was not as cute. The baby was cuter in...
As a kid.
No, baby was cuter in Good Luck
Good luck,
Charlie.
Charlie.
No,
No, bro, Nikki-
Nikki was so,
So
cute.
cute.
Even when she
Yeah,
grew up,
Nikki was
she
cute.
was like, Modern Family में कौन है वो?
Lily.
Lily. She was like Lily. Even when she grew up, she had that sassiness to her.
But like Nikki had that very cute, innocent little look to her where she was so clueless and like with her little
Yeah,
curly hair, she was
yeah.
damn cute.
Very adorable.
but-
Very
Oi Jessie was also nice.
Oi Jessie. That's what I was getting at. Oi Jessie was better than Hey Jessie.
I love
Oi Jessie was the
I-
goat.
I love
Okay.
her.
I recently googled. I wanted to watch. Oh, the it's not there on YouTube anymore.
No?
No,
Is it on Disney Plus?
I don't have Disney Plus.
Arey yaar, I'll check,
not.
I'll check for you. But yeah, Hey
I think it's
Jessie.
there though.
Hey Jessie में कौन था यार?
Tara Sutaria.
No.
Tara Sutaria.
Hey Jessie में.
अच्छा, oh.
वो पता
Not
नहीं,
sure.
लेकिन Shake It Up, the English version had girls. There was Zendaya and Bella Thorne.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
sorry, Neil and what was the Yash and
Yeah,
Neil?
Yash and Neil.
Neil
Ate
were
them up. Fucking ate them
so
up.
And
there was this
how?
conversation going on
Hmm.
that what was your Mount Rushmore of Disney?
Uh-huh.
Mount Rushmore of 4 horsemen,
Yeah,
whatever you
yeah.
want to call
Yeah.
it. Top 4 or top 3, chalo. We'll do top 3.
For I'm gonna talk about Hindi.
Ha.
Same.
So for me, Shake It Up for sure. Oye Jessie, and
Come on, best of luck, Nikki.
I didn't watch that as much as I
Ah.
watched Sweet Letter for Karan and Kabir.
Karan and Kapoor.
So that would
okay.
be the order would be Oye Jessie. Oh wait, no. Shake It Up, Oye Jessie, Karan and Kabir.
With Karan and with Zack and Cody, London was a way better actor than Rani. So that's why I like it more. London Tipton. Yeah.
So for me, it's Shake It Up,
Hmm.
Karan and Kabir, Oi Jessie.
Oye Jassi.
Oh!
Karan Kabir and Oye Jassi.
I just watched Best of Luck, Nikki. I did not watch the others as much. I
What
used
the
to
hell
s-
were you watching?
Yeah.
Bro, I was lame.
You were lame and you were watching Tarak Mehta.
No, bitch, no. I was
Yes,
not watching.
you
Yes, you
were.
were. I started watching Tarak Mehta like in 7th. Not before that. But yeah, I used to not watch
But
Disney
rate
as
yours.
much.
Rate yours.
Just Best of Luck, Nikki.
You
didn't-
only watched Best of Luck,
Oh,
Nikki.
there
Yeah.
were both sides.
Bro.
Hindi and
No,
English.
no, no, only Best of
okay,
Luck.
okay,
there
okay.
was
Hindi.
there was this time I remember I used to like bro मैं ऐसे देखती थी नील को legit ऐसे देखती थी
Neil.
No, that's
yeah.
Yash.
No, wait.
Neil had
Dimples.
dimples.
Who's the nerdy? Nerdy one I like.
Yash.
Yash. Oh my god,
No, no.
Yash.
मुझे-
Yash's name was Yashpal.
Huh.
I
And then he
like the-
shortened it to Yash.
I like
You
the
like Neil. You like the bad boy.
Yeah.
You like bad boy.
Of
I
course,
like the
of
nerdy
course you
boy.
did.
And I had.
That's also
No,
why
I
I
like
like the bigger brother in Best of Luck, Nikki.
Yeah.
No, guys, you don't understand. Like, the friendship was so solid and it was so hard. Like, I used to cry, when they used to fight. When Neil and
Oh.
Yash fought, I used to cry.
So Dhritika and I we used to think that we are each other's Neil and Yash
Even I
for
thought
the
that.
longest fucking
But
time.
I don't talk to her anymore.
For the clearly not the Neil to your Yash.
Clearly
Oh.
not. Clearly not.
We used to think that we are Neil and Yash for the longest time. I am Neil, she is Yash.
Huh.
And we used to
That
exactly
explains it.
Hmm.
That fucking explains
I do find Dhritika very
And
attractive.
whenever we used to take like a we used to take like a क्या बोलते हैं उसको यार शपथ लेते थे ना
Chapat chapat.
yeah we used to
Chapat chapat.
we used to do थप्पड़ शपथ and multiple times we have done that
Yeah.
कि ये बंदे से बात नहीं करूंगी and we hate each other
Yeah.
और गाली कम देंगे and we
You hate each other. Even like speaking of my the Neil to my Yash, we didn't identify them, but we really there was this girl that I used to be friends with. I'm no longer friends with her, but we used to have lunch together, and we used to always do ulat palat.
yeah
You had to change your
Change your
dabba.
dabba.
Oh.
Ulat palat. See, that's how that was the
Yeah,
impact,
yeah,
huh?
That's
And thank you for asking my top 3. I will tell you. My top 3 has to be okay. English, I'll go first.
Mhm.
My number 3 was Zack and Cody.
Mhm.
Number 2 was Hannah Montana because
Ooh.
number
Wizards-
one.
Wizards of Waverly
Waverly.
Place.
My
course,
number one
yeah.
was Wizards of Waverly Place, and it is a shame to see what has happened to Selena Gomez because Miley Cyrus has become cooler,
yeah
way cooler.
Way cooler.
Oh, yeah.
But Selena Gomez is kissing Benny Blanco's dirty feet.
I've seen so many reels
You know, it
of
was
her
so
in
bad.
that era saying this Selena Gomez would never kiss anybody's feet.
Anybody's
Oh.
feet.
Anybody's feet.
Did you know that was so bad that they tried to like cover it up, and there is a clip now going around of Benny Blanco being like, "Actually, I don't stink. I don't stink." And then he's like, he asked somebody to like smell him. Yeah,
Why
That
is
is-
this allowed?
it's because people were like, "Oh, Benny Blanco is dirty," because they saw his dirty feet on a
Yeah.
He gives
podcast.
it. He gives it.
He gives like he has
Dirty.
stinky breath.
Yeah, but
And
that,
like
they
his
tried to
gunk.
cover that up. They tried to cover that up, which is so much worse.
And then he looks like he has gunk under his nails.
Yeah.
bro I don't like Benny Blanco he looks
Yeah.
so
Mm.
Guys, God has made everyone beautiful.
God has made
Agreed,
everyone
agreed.
beautiful. And then Hindi
Except-
version. No, because y'all are like really being rude to me.
What?
No, say. I'm saying
Bol, bol.
God has made everyone beautiful except so I'm like 1,
Naming.
2, 3, 4 like that. I'm not
हाँ,
telling
बोल,
you.
बोल.
तू
हिंदी
तू
में
अपने
बोल.
5 बता बस जा.
ये 5 नहीं है मेरे पास. Hindi, my top 3. Okay, Shake It Up is number 1. Oi Jassi is number 2, and then Best of Luck Nikki. I watched the shit out of them. Bro, I've wasted so much time on YouTube. There is this influencer, should I call it, this girl that used to document her going on dates. Her name is Danielle Walter.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And whenever I found her like 1.5 years ago, I was like, this is so
On
relatable.
Instagram?
Yes, on
Okay.
Instagram. So
Hmm.
she would do Get Ready With Me for a date, and she
Hmm.
would tell you what all has happened before the date. She would give you a debrief of the date, and then she would carry it like, okay, no, it's not working out with this guy.
Yeah,
It was
yeah.
like talking to your girlfriend.
Friend. Yeah.
Okay, and I used to really like that content because I was like, yeah, this is so relatable.
Yeah.
And then she also had like rules in place that I knew. Okay,
Yeah.
acha, I know her. I know Daniel,
Hmm.
and Daniel does not. She does not do boyfriend girlfriend before 3 months.
Okay.
She does not. She wants to
A Christian man.
a Christian
or like,
man.
Hmm.
She had
Her
her non-negotiables,
Yeah.
and she was like hell bent on them, and I just cherished that so much
And
about
the
her.
format also of that series was so fun because I hadn't seen something like that before. Because
Yeah.
in the middle of the date, she would go to a bathroom, she'd like record it on her phone, be like, "Oh my god, the date is going like this, the date is going like that," and then it would have an end.
Oh,
So there was like
Oh.
like it was there was a sequence to it basically. It was
You were
nice.
almost on the date.
Yes.
You
Yeah.
were on the date, and you felt like you were involved.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that made me like really root for her.
Yeah.
That made me be like, I hope she gets what she wants.
Yeah.
And now, like, there was a few, 8, 9 months
9 months
ago,
ago.
she went on her final first date. Her final
Okay.
being that being like this guy that she met in the gym, and she was talking very highly of him because he was somebody that brought up Jesus and something that she
Just
was
ticked all
really
She
the
was looking for.
boxes.
she was really looking
Yeah,
for.
yeah.
Like, I remember this statement of hers. She said that, oh, we were. He asked me out,
Hmm.
and he talked about how much he loved Jesus, and in that moment, I just knew because I really love Jesus as well, and this was something that she was looking for. But guys, are we not considering the fact that her whole life was on the internet, and he could easily have found her and said those things to her? I don't want to think about just the negatives of it, but that is
absolutely.
that is
That is a
something that you
possibility.
have to consider as
Hmm.
a public figure.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And she broke each and every one of her rules for this guy.
Whoa.
She made, like, she knew that she wanted to be asked out within 2 months. She knew in the first date.
Yeah.
She went into the washroom and she was like, this is
This
my
is my
husband.
husband.
This is my husband. Yeah. And you know, that worry that you have for a friend.
Yes. Yes.
That exact, like when your friend comes from a date and she's like, I just know it.
Yeah.
You just know there's something wrong with the
and
guy.
even
And
the
you won't-
comments, people were like, "I'm happy for you, but take it slow."
It's
Like,
Just like you were about to say.
everyone in the comments were like keeping an eye out for her.
Yes.
And she was madly in love, which sure, great. Like
Good
it
for
worked
her,
out,
yeah.
for her.
whatever.
And then after they got together, after the girlfriend part happened, so within 2 months, she was like, "Get ready with me. I think he's going to ask me to be his girlfriend."
Mhm.
Because she had been telling him, "Oh, I want to be your girlfriend. I want to be your girlfriend."
my
within
God.
2 months. So she did a "Get ready with me," on which she got a lot of backlash.
Yeah.
She was like, "This is not what you said. You're not, guys, we've asked you to take it slow, take it slow, take it slow. We don't think," because this guy, okay, so he is foreign. He is a trainer, and he's a stranger. Okay.
Yeah.
There's no mutual friends or
Yeah, yeah.
anything.
Met
I
him
think
randomly
on
in
the
gym.
third date was his birthday.
Hmm.
So he called her for the birthday
Hmm.
where his family was there.
She met
the parents on the third date.
And
Yeah.
the weirdest part of this was that she didn't seem hesitant like she did on her previous dates. She
More than hesitant, I would like to say careful.
Yeah, and then she was very like on the previous date, she was very like, okay, like I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to be like careful, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. But for this date, from the get, she was like, yes. See, I'm all in for you being very, very sure of what you want, and this is something that
Yeah.
she's claimed. She's like, once I know myself too well, so if I found someone, I have found someone. Sure, but then for you to create this whole perception of what your dating life is and what your check boxes are, and then for you to completely
Invalidate them.
invalidate them when this new guy comes
Yeah.
in is like a little bit off-putting for
Yes.
the audience to look at who you've
Yes.
created a parasocial relationship with.
Yes.
It's also off-putting to the audience because it's not like there are evident red flags with this guy.
Ooh.
This,
Like what?
So Daniel is basically.
Do we know his name?
Yeah, we do. I'll tell you about
Okay.
that. Daniel is making the money. Daniel
Yeah.
is paying for the dates.
Ooh.
She is taking him to Disney. She's doing all of it because he does not have a stable income. And that is shady. I know people struggle and ups and downs rehte hai, and I really don't mind like being in a phase of life where I have to provide for my
Yeah,
man.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
fine. That's completely fine.
For my man.
For my
My
man.
man.
My man.
Exactly.
For your man.
Exactly.
And after she got that backlash over the girlfriend thing,
Hmm.
they went MIA. Both
Oh,
of
yeah,
them
yeah.
went
Ooh.
MIA for months. They
Uh-huh.
came back with like a more than
Sit
20
down.
episode reel this
Series.
thing series
Series, yeah.
where they're sitting on a park bench and it's the most eerie thing
It's
ever. It's shot very weirdly as if it's like
A
a
documentary.
brand
No, it
brand
just
thing,
felt like,
and they're just the whole thing is they're just defending what
Yeah.
they're just defending their actions.
yeah.
This is why this is my man, this is why this is my husband, and this is why I want him.
Okay, when you're little, okay,
Hmm.
you do something to another kid,
Yeah.
okay, and then the kid's mom goes and tells it to the teacher,
Yeah.
and then your mom comes and sits down with the teacher and be like, no, yeah, this is why she did it. These are the reasons. That's
Instead of
exactly how-
accountability.
that's exactly how Danielle was talking about her husband to the audience.
Oh no.
Exactly how she said it in the most eeriest way possible because
Oh.
she was like, so guys, I have something to tell you. And then she backs off and then her husband comes up in the video.
Now husband, so
Husband?
Husband.
yeah, so she
Fiance.
her rule was like 1.5 year dating before they get engaged. 9 months in, she is now engaged. She made a get ready with me
She's pregnant.
to. That's a theory though.
That's
We
a
don't
theory.
know.
I don't
Hey,
even
no,
know
no,
this
no.
person.
Actually, no. She made it a point to point this out. They are waiting for marriage. They are waiting for marriage.
I mean, sure. I mean, that's
Let
a
them
personal
do what they
preference.
want.
Yeah.
But maybe don't rush into it because you're waiting.
Yeah.
I don't know what their lives are.
And
but-
okay, before this entire thing, she was not huge. She was
Hmm.
not a big deal on the internet.
Yeah.
But now this announcement has come on People's Magazine.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's all over the internet.
हमें भी कुछ crazy करना चाहिए ऐसा.
It just feels so random.
हम
and
चारों
out
को
of
शादी करनी चाहिए.
nowhere.
नहीं
चारों को शादी करनी चाहिए.
बात खत्म. हम सीधा पहुंच रहे हैं
सीधे मत.
टॉप से टॉप. हाँ.
It just feels very like random
Gimmicky.
and off. Yeah, it just feels like she's putting up a show.
Some
Sure.
people,
Hmm.
I'm not saying all, but there is also another theory going around because they have been pushing a lot of religious
Beliefs.
talking points, I would like to say. Not beliefs to sabki hoti hai, meri bhi hai, but they've been putting a lot of that out, and I'm not, bro. Organized religion is great for a lot of people. It gives people hope, and I'm also a religious person. I'm not gonna shit on literally anybody else's religion, but there are these mega churches in the US, at least that I know of, that are more culty than usual.
Oh.
And they talk about their church a lot. So some people are theorizing that this,
They're affiliated.
they're affiliated, or maybe this is a way for them to promote their beliefs of the church or what it is.
I saw
This is not
theory too.
this is not confirmed,
Mhm.
but it could be a possibility,
Yeah.
which makes it even more cynical.
Yeah.
It
Mhm.
makes it more concerning.
Concerning.
Makes it more
Concerning,
concerning
yeah.
because I
Yeah.
looked up to Danielle,
Yeah.
I used to think, wow, she's just like me.
I think if I see her face, I'll maybe be able to tell
You
because she
probably will.
definitely has come on my feed for sure.
100%.
Yeah,
A couple of
yeah.
friends.
She's very beautiful.
She
Yeah,
is
mhm.
very beautiful,
Very
and
beautiful.
she did the series which I really liked, where she bought a house
Mhm.
and she's put up wallpaper.
the red one or the pink one?
The pink one. So that's her thing. So everybody was like, "This wallpaper is ugly," and she's like, "I like this wallpaper."
Yeah.
So she has wallpapered her whole house with like very like grandma-esque wallpapers. Not.
Ooh.
It is cute. It is her aesthetic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not for everybody. And she
Yeah.
was like, "Fuck y'all, I
She
like,
owns
I
it.
like
Yeah.
it. I like it, so y'all can suck
What's
it."
what's her fiance's name?
I don't know. He's not relevant. Okay, my opinion, I don't like him.
yeah, he just I don't get the best vibes from him.
Yeah.
Does he look good?
Subjective. Well, he has a very chiseled face.
Yeah, he's a trainer.
Yeah, that's about as much as I would like to talk about him.
Valid.
Yeah.
Seems iffy.
Yeah, it is very, very iffy. I'm just
Yeah.
waiting for the next
Video.
sort of series of her videos to come out with him for me to be in a better position to gauge what this entire
Yeah,
situation is.
Yeah.
But yeah,
I'm waiting for our next episode.
same.
Yeah, this one's
you
not
cut those
even
words
over.
Right out of my mouth.
This is not even over, but I'm already waiting for the next. I
Yeah.
hope that you guys are also enjoying the episode so far.
Yeah.
It's almost the end of it. And yeah.
Bad.
if you
Wait, yeah.
what
What emoji
Emoji.
though?
Yeah.
What emoji should we ask them
Ooh.
The
to
TV?
comment? The TV emoji.
The TV.
TV. Yeah.
Probably, yeah.
The
Yeah.
TV.
A bunch of TV emojis down in the comments. And while you're on YouTube, guys, subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with somebody who would like any of these topics that we spoke
Yeah.
about today. And yeah, hype the video, guys.
Yeah.
Hype the
Oh,
video.
we got
up
to
a
hype it,
bunch.
guys. It's just one button. Click it, and you're good to go.
Yeah.
If you're watching us on Instagram, make sure you follow us. Make sure you watch our reels. Make sure you like our reels. Send it with your friends and comment nice things, yaar. मतलब
कर लो.
बस यार उतना ही चाहिए.
And if you listen to us on Spotify, don't forget to give us a good rating. It's just 5 stars. Yes. Okay.
And until
Until
next
next
time,
time, stay Besharam.
Bye.